morning, my dear students. Welcome to your computer class. Today I'm starting chapter 6, formatting a presentation. Okay, in previous class I gave you an introduction. Okay, what is the meaning of formatting a presentation? Okay, so today I will start with the first topic of this chapter, which is slide master. Okay, so before starting the class, you should understand what is a slide master. First of all, I'm opening PowerPoint. So this is our PowerPoint window. I'm opening a blank presentation. In this way we start creating a presentation. Okay, you all knows about it. Okay, now, so this is our PowerPoint window. You all can see this white slide on the screen. It's like a page in PowerPoint. Okay, in PowerPoint we work on slide instead of pages. Okay, slides are like pages in PowerPoint. So normally till now we were working on slides. Now we will make a master slide. What is a master slide? Actually it's an element of a template. Okay, whatever information we store in a master slide, it automatically get included in all the slide. For example, if you will change the font size or the font style, if you will change the theme, the background of the slide, okay, and if you will change the bullet style or whatever changes you will make in your master slide, automatically it will be reflected on all the slides you will use in your presentation. Okay, so a master slide contains two parts: a slide master, first slide title placeholder, and then body text placeholder. Okay, so how to open a slide master? For that, click on the view tab and choose slide master option from master views. Okay, click on this option. Now you can see in the slide pane, you can see the first slide. It is called the master slide. Okay, in this slide you can specify each and everything regarding formatting. You can change theme, you can change font type, style, you can change font color, and you can see by default headers and footer part is there. Okay, if you want to include this part in your slide, so just leave it as it is, or if you want to make disappear, you want to use this date only, you don't want to use anything else in footer, so you can select and delete it. I'm just selecting and deleting it. See, for selecting any placeholder you have to click on the dotted border, and when the dotted border will be converted into a straight line, then you can delete it. Okay, in this way. Okay, now here I'm going to make some changes in the slide. First of all, I'm making change in the theme. So choose the theme option from edit theme group. From here you can choose any theme which you want to apply in your presentation. I have chosen this one. Okay, from here you can change colors for the theme. Okay, from here you can choose or change the colors. Okay, like I have changed. Okay, you can change background style. I want the light shade, so I change it like this. From here you can specify the font type. There are limited number of fonts available in master slide in comparison of normal font, so you can choose any of them which are available. Like I'm choosing Arial one, so I have chosen. Okay, now I'm clicking on the home tab and I'm changing the font color. I have selected this box. First of all, I have to close the master slide view. Okay, now I'm opening normal view. You can see this is our master slide. Okay, now I'm going to insert a new slide. You can see automatically the font style is same as the first slide, and any number of slide which you will insert now, it will come in the same formatting which you have applied on your master slide. Okay, these three are our slides which we have inserted. Okay, so in this way you can specify the same formatting on every slide by specifying it into the master slide. Okay, so that's all for today. Next topic we will discuss in the next class. We will learn about more formatting option in master slide. Okay, that's all for today. Take care of yourselves.